Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious and nutritious twist on a classic favorite, healthy bread pizza. If you're looking for a quick, satisfying meal that doesn't compromise on flavor, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need some whole grain or sprouted bread as your base. This not only adds a wonderful texture, but also packs in fiber and nutrients. Next, grab your favorite tomato sauce, homemade or store-bought. Just make sure it's low in added sugars. For toppings, the sky's the limit. Think colorful bell peppers, fresh spinach, mushrooms, or even some lean protein like grilled chicken or turkey. And of course, don't forget a sprinkle of your favorite cheese or a dairy-free alternative to keep it creamy and delicious. Now, let's assemble our pizza. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread a generous layer of tomato sauce on your bread, then layer on your chosen toppings. Pop it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to resist. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for a minute before slicing. This is the perfect moment to get creative with fresh herbs like basil or oregano for that extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, a healthy bread pizza that's not only easy to make, but also packed with nutrients. It's perfect for a quick lunch, a fun dinner with the family, or even a snack while binge watching your favorite show. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every bite. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!